Dear investors, the future of agriculture will belong to companies capable of scaling efficiently, integrating operations, and investing ahead of the market. And this is what we do at the AGRAR. For us, 2026 represents a pivotal investment year. In the first quarter, we continue to expand our production capacity, accelerate strategic investments, and strengthen the foundation of our integrated business model. We anticipated a moderate start to the year, with a decline in revenues mainly reflecting lower milk prices across the market. However, the AGRAR remained profitable, supported by the resilience of our integrated business model and continued operational growth. While market volatility remains present across the sector, our focus continues to be long-term. We're investing in scale, increasing efficiency, and building sustainable value for the years ahead. During the first quarter, we continued executing the strategic projects that will shape the next stage of the group's development. From production expansion to processing, feed independence, and circular agriculture, each project strengthens our integrated business model. Shareholders approved the financing for the skimmed milk and cream processing facility. This is a strategic investment designed to strengthen margins, improve operational integration, client segmentation, and expand the AGRAR's regional presence. Koet Farm project represents the next major expansion phase in the AGRAR's long-term development strategy on the milk production segment. Designed for approximately 5,000 dairy cows, the project will significantly expand the group's future production capacity. During Q1 2026, we advanced the permitting, financing, and construction preparation phases, with financing approval by the end of Q2 2026. We also continued advancing the vertical farming project for wheatgrass, reaching the final engineering phase and signing the contract for the first production facility. The project will strengthen feed independence and support greater operational efficiency across the group. In parallel, we continued advancing the food cluster project together with Wageningen Metropolitan Food Clusters, progressing the planning and feasibility analysis phase. At the same time, both of our compost facilities are operating at full capacity, as we are actively expanding our client base and strengthening our client network, with more than 4,000 tons of compost sold in Q1 2026, that generated revenues of approx 3 million lei. This segment continues to show strong long-term potential within our integrated business model, with 2 additional units already planned at the Koet farm. The implementation of these projects is phased and disciplined, supporting the AGRAR's long-term growth strategy while maintaining financial stability. Operationally, the first quarter confirmed the scalability of our platform. Milk deliveries increased by more than 22%, reaching a monthly average of approx 7 million liters. At year level, we estimate at least a 10% increase in milk production. On the agricultural side, we prioritize securing internal feed supplies, enhancing operational efficiency, and preparing the new agricultural season. Feed management was influenced by herd expansion and the lower agricultural production recorded in 2025, leading to a temporary increase in external feed purchases. At the same time, favorable global agricultural conditions helped maintain favorable feed prices, limiting the impact on cost. In response to the market environment, management remained focused on cost efficiency and operational optimization. In Q1 2026, the AGRAR generated a turnover of 47 million RON, EBITDA of 21 million RON, and a net profit of 9.6 million RON. While results were impacted by historically low milk prices and remained below the levels recorded in 2025, they exceeded 2024 performance, reflecting the benefits of recent investments, operational expansion, and efficiency improvements across the group. For the full year of 2026, the AGRAR budgeted a turnover of 200 million lei, an EBITDA of 85 million lei, and a net profit of 38 million lei. And the gradual recovery in the milk prices, seen starting May, supports our confidence in achieving these targets. Nevertheless, 2026 is a transitional year, laying the operational foundation for accelerated growth in the years to come. The AGRAR remained the most traded company on the Aero market, while the share price increased by approximately 93% year on year, and the investor shareholder base surpassed 5,400 investors. At the beginning of 2026, the group published its first IFRS financial statements, an important milestone in the preparation process for the transfer to the main market of the Bucharest Stock Exchange, scheduled for early 2027. The AGRAR's investor relations performance was also internationally recognized, with the group shortlisted at the IR Impact Awards 2026 London for Best Annual Report and Best Investor Event alongside some of the leading listed companies in Europe. As we look ahead to 2026, it is a year in which we continue to invest, expand, and strengthen the foundations of an integrated agricultural business built for long-term growth. The projects we are advancing today are designed to generate the next stage of growth, efficiency, and value creation starting from 2027. At the AGRAR, we're not building for the next quarter, we are building for the next decade. An organization designed for scale, for resilience, and for sustainable long-term value creation. Aligned with our 2025-2030 development strategy, these projects are designed to scale our operations to an annual production of at least 150 to 200 million liters of milk by 2030. Our roadmap includes reaching a total herd of over 30,000 animals, producing 40,000 tons of organic fertilizer annually, and generating 100,000 voluntary carbon certificates per annum. Furthermore, with the integration of the biomethane production starting in 2028, and combined with our innovative wheatgrass facility that will cover 30 to 40% of our future feedstock, we aim for a 90% reduction in emissions by 2030. We are dedicated to reaching net zero milk production, a milestone that aligns our environmental stewardships with robust financial performance. These combined efficiencies are anticipated to double our EBITDA, transforming our sustainability goals into a powerful engine for long-term value creation. The next stage of the AGRAR development is already underway, and we invite all stakeholders to join us on this journey and to stay connected through the tools and resources we have made available.